Guys, welcome to my channel. This is Nesara Gowda. Those who are new to my channel, here I'll be uploading your weekly, monthly love career prediction based on your sun, moon and rising sign. This is going to be for from the mid month of the June to the mid month of the July. This video is going to be for Aquarius, sun, moon and rising sign. This is going to be general reading, so it might or it might not resonate with every single person who watches it. If it does resonate with you, then please consider subscribing to my channel. In this video, I'm going to take a look at your past, present and future situation, and I'm going to clarify some cards for you and end up the reading with some advice. Aquarius. Okay. In the recent past, we have the Seven of Wands, the Nine of Swords, the Four of Pentacles. In the present, we have the Six of Pentacles, there is the Ten of Wands, there is Three of Swords. In the future, we have the Nine of Wands, there is the King of Pentacles, the Three of Pentacles. So the challenge for the week is the Sun. So the challenge for the week is to be happy, whatever the situation is going to get you. So the challenge for the week is to find your happiness. You know where your happiness lies, right? Aquarius, for you, the happiness always, it doesn't have to be in a relationship. It have to be in a friendship. It has a lot to do with being alone. So where is your happiness? You have to know where is your happiness is, and the challenge for the week is to get that happiness. Okay, we're going to clarify the challenge in a moment. In the recent past, there was someone who was kind of pushing you constantly or not letting you to know something. Someone was in the recent past who was holding some information to themselves, who was holding their emotions to themselves. They didn't really open up in the recent past. That ended up you being very in a painful moment, in a sad moment, in a fear moment. In the present, I see there's a relationship for some of you where someone is working a lot in this connection because they want this connection to be strong. Something is wrong, something is going wrong, which is like happening in a negative way. It's like someone is doing, someone is just sitting back, someone is putting some effort, someone is not at all bothered. It's like the situation is going on in the present moment. Someone is working through it, but I see there's a chances of breakup happening between you and this person. There's a chances. We're going to clarify it. Why? In the future, I see someone is waiting, not yet given up with the relationship, because they find a lot of stability in this relationship. They really want to work out whatever happened. They really want to work through it. Okay, we're going to clarify the challenge for the week. The happiness, you're finding your happiness. For many of you, it could be in a relationship here with a person. It could be a friendship too. There's a lot of fire signs, so I feel there's a friendship there's a friendship between you and this person. I'm going to clarify the challenge for the week, I mean for the phase mid-month. So the challenge is clarified by the Empress, the Ten of Wands, the Hangman. Many of you guys are finding happiness with this person. You really want to have the strong connection because you feel a lot of happiness with this person. You really want to work out the situation, whatever going on with this person. You're not taking any action. I don't feel like you are really taking some action towards your happiness. It's like it's in your head. For many of you, the happiness is in your head only. You have to just think it in a different perspective. In order to get some happiness, you have to change your mindset. It is within. You just have to deviate whatever you're thinking about a person, about a situation. The growth is in within. Okay, you have to work through your mind, change the way of thinking in order to find the happiness. I'm going to clarify this. In the recent past, there was someone who was holding their emotions to themselves, who was constantly pushing you forward. I'm going to clarify it, which brought you a lot of pain. I'm going to clarify the Seven of Wands. Why was this person being detached to you? Okay, the Seven of Wands is clarified by the High Priestess, the Wheel of Fortune, the World. It's a very clear reading. This person wanted to end the relationship between you and this person because they wanted a changes, or they found something new which brought a lot of changes in their life. They were hiding it, they couldn't express it, how, couldn't express how to say this to you, because they want to end, because they found happiness in someone else. They knew that this could be give you a lot of fear, like a lot of pain. They knew that. That is why they didn't express. They were just pushing you. They were holding their emotions within you, which actually led you a lot of pain in the recent past. In the present moment, I see someone working through something which is not going the way it has to be. Someone is bringing some balance. Someone is trying to get some balance in this connection. I'm going to clarify the 10 of Wands. It could be a fire sign. You could be in relationship with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. The 10 of Wands is clarified by the 7 of Pentacles, the Ace of Cups, the 5 of Wands. For many of you in the present moment, there's a conflict going on. Someone is waiting for this relationship to be the way it was before, because you just want to give it a fresh start with this person. You just want to end something, whatever conflict happened. You just want to end this and start, give it a fresh start, okay? But I don't see this conflict ended up in the present moment. It made you to remain waiting for this person. I'm going to clarify the 3 of Swords in the present moment, which is why you guys are feeling so broken down inside. The 3 of Swords is clarified by the Page of Cups. The 3 of Cups is clarified by Page of Cups. There is the Queen of Swords. There is the Tower moment. Okay. For many of you, the relationship you had been in the past, that wasn't for a very long time. I feel this was a fresh relationship you guys were. You didn't know what this person felt about you, or that person didn't really know how this person is feeling. For many of you, there was a new person who entered into your life. It's like a third party situation. I'm getting like there was someone else involved in between you guys, which brought a breakthrough between you and this person. This could be an air sign, same Aquarius, Gemini, Libra, could have come between you guys and brought a major breakdown in the present moment. I'm going to clarify in the future. Someone is still haven't given up in the future. Someone is still waiting for someone. The 9 of Wands is clarified by the 9 of Wands. It is what it is. It says someone is waiting. Someone is still waiting. It could be you or your person. If you are not waiting, then your person is definitely waiting for you, Aquarius. They're still hoping it. That is they still want the happiness in their life. The 9 of Wands is clarified by the Page of Swords. The 9 of Wands, the Death. Okay, here I feel they're not ready to give up. There is something they really need to know. Why this? Maybe you left them being not known the truth, or they left you being not known the real truth. So someone is waiting in the future in order to get the clarity about the situation. Though that means ending up is also, that's fine for them, but for them it's like they want to know the clarity. Okay, because they still have hopes in this connection. They don't want to just leave it the way they want to work out. Someone wants to work out in the future. You could be dealing with the Earth sign too. I'm going to clarify the 3 of Pentacles in the future. The 3 of Pentacles is clarified by the Magician, the Judgment, the 2 of Cups. So I don't feel this is going to end up the way it is, because I feel again there's a chances of this person coming back into your life. There's a chances of this person coming back, giving some happiness, or there could be another person who might be coming. Okay, you're still manifesting this. You're manifesting something, Aquarius. In the future, you're working through it. You're coming to some realization. This could be related to a relationship which you had in the past. You are getting to know some realization about this person with whom you were in connection with, or there could be chances this person coming back again in the future, giving you a lot of happiness. I feel there is nothing you really want to think a lot in this connection, because everything is you yourself thinking. I feel like that This is all about thinking what's going on in your head. There could be chance that yourself coming to a realization about this connection and getting together, finding an happiness again with this person. If you're waiting for this person, I feel again this person will come in the future for you. They'll clarify. They're gonna end and they're going to give you a fresh start in this relationship. That's what the challenge is all about. There's a chance of you changing the thinking, your mindset in the future, and finding the happiness. Very clear reading, Aquarius. We're gonna pull some advice for you. Oh, I just wanna read all of the three, but only one. Aquarius. So the advice for the week is believe in the impossible. Anything could happen. If you have expected that this person won't come back into your life because after so much happened, after so much, you might have thought this person won't come, but there's a chance of unexpected happening in the future. Believe in impossible. So what you are least thinking in the present moment, just think about it. That might happen in the future. Okay, there's a chance. If you're thinking this person won't come, there's a chance that this person will come and bring you a lot of happiness in the future. Okay, that is all I have for the Aquarius people. If you guys like the video, then please don't forget to hit the like button. Please do subscribe to my channel. I shall see you all with my another reading. You guys can also follow me on Instagram too. The ideal link will be in the description. Okay, then till my next video, take care. Bye bye.